Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the wave and slide animation to your videos in CapCut Mobile. So here, I've already imported a video, and to easily add the animation, you can just click on your video in the CapCut timeline, then click on animation. So the wave and slide animation is on the combo animation. So click on that and just swipe until you find the wave and slide. Okay, this one, click on that. So like this, just click on the check icon and the animation will be applied, and this will be the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!